Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing King Shark, the funny and powerful shark character from the DC movie directed by James Gunn, The Suicide Squad. In our version, we're giving him a playful retro cartoon style, inspired by classic vintage animation. Grab your pencils, markers, or tablet, get comfortable, and let's start drawing. Let's start with the small black eye. Simple and expressive. Now draw the large, open mouth, wide and rounded, giving King Shark his playful and slightly goofy expression. Add the sharp triangular teeth and the tongue, creating that classic cartoon monster look, while still keeping him funny and friendly. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like, because it really helps the channel grow and reach more artists and cartoon lovers. Next comes the head, which smoothly blends into the snout, forming that iconic shark silhouette. Now draw the nostril, shaped almost like the number 6, a tiny but very recognizable detail. Add the cheeks and the curved separation lines that will later define the gray body and the lighter belly area. King Shark is a DC Comics character whose real name is Nanaue. Let's draw the right arm, thick and curved toward the belly, emphasizing the character's chunky cartoon anatomy. Now draw the right hand, very round with curved fingers that end in soft little points. The character first appeared in DC Comics in 1994, originally as a villain. In the comics, King Shark is often described as the son of a shark god. His appearance mixes human-like features with those of a great white shark. Over time, King Shark evolved from villain to anti-hero in many stories. Next comes the left arm, also curving inward without a visible elbow. Both arms together already help define the shape of the torso. Now draw the left hand, round and adorable, with the circular fingers closed as it holds a small bone. And remember, if any part feels tricky, just pause the video anytime and draw at your own pace. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share the video with your friends. And make sure to explore our full playlist with characters from movies, games, and series. Just click the card above. Also, tell me in the comments, which character should we draw next? One of his most memorable traits is his simple speech and innocent curiosity. Add the bone, which might just be the last thing left from King Shark's lunch. In the 2021 DC film directed by James Gunn, he became one of the most beloved members of the team. In that movie, King Shark was voiced by Sylvester Stallone. The character is known for his childlike personality, which contrasts with his terrifying appearance. Let's move to the right leg, amusingly short, connecting to a tiny foot that almost looks like a small fin. For the colors, we mainly use gray tones for the body, a lighter belly, a bright red mouth, cream-colored teeth, and blue shorts. But feel free to color your King Shark however you like. Creativity always wins. Now draw the left leg, almost mirroring the shape of the right one to keep the character balanced. Add the blue shorts, a fun little clothing detail that makes the character even more humorous. Now draw the dorsal fin, the main shark feature rising from the back and giving the character his recognizable silhouette. Today, King Shark is considered one of the most iconic monster-like characters in modern DC adaptations. And here's our King Shark, big, goofy, and full of retro cartoon energy. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.